After flash floods that killed over 30 people in Uttarkashi, rescue operations are on. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police and State Disaster Management Forces are currently involved in those rescue operations. A mountaineering team from the state has built a bridge from ropes in Chamba and is evacuating those injured. NDTV's Kashish sent us this report from there.
We're standing at Bemunda right now, which is 30 kilometers from Chamba and still over 100 kilometers from Uttarkashi, the ground zero of the flash floods which happened in Uttarkashi on Friday. And of course, as you can see, a whole, a portion of the mountain has simply fallen. The road has been blocked completely. Only pedestrians can now cross this little bit. What we understand is that this roadblock actually happened yesterday afternoon just before 3:30, and since then there is a row of cars that's actually been stuck all the way down, and we're of course amongst them now. These are really the kind of logistical and infrastructural problems that Uttarkashi will now face. This is the aftermath of that flash flood which already killed more than 30 lives, and of course scores of people are missing. Pilgrims are stranded in various parts, but it's really the rescue and relief operations which are the need of the hour, but that's actually what's being hampered because of several roadblocks, we understand, like this all the way to Uttarkashi. आप लोग शांति कुंज आश्रम से आए हैं, तो आप लोग उत्तरकाशी जा रहे हैं, किस चीज के लिए जा रहे हैं?
मतलब ये अभी जो बादल फट गया है उन लोग के लिए, मतलब सुरक्षा के लिए, और लोग जो मतलब उनके सुविधा के लिए
भोजन है और कंबल वगैरह वितरित के लिए, बस वस्त्र है बच्चे को और महिलाओं को और पुरुषों के लिए भी जो वस्त्र है, कपड़े उपड़े, ये सब लेते जा रहे हैं के लिए।
तो आप लोग कब से यहाँ पर अटके हुए हैं?
कल 3 बजे से ही, 3:30 बजे से।
3:30 बजे से अटके हुए। तो कुछ अभी ये पता लग रहा है कि कब खुलेगा ये रास्ता?
नहीं, अभी तक तो कोई पता नहीं है। अभी तक कल आए थे, कल थोड़ी सी खोले थे, छोटी गाड़ी निकल गई और बड़ी गाड़ी हम लोग के साथ गाड़ी फंसी हुई है।
तो गिरते ही रहा, थोड़ा थोड़ा तो गिरते ही रहा, थोड़ा थोड़ा, मतलब वो तो बोला या तो कल ही आएगा, आज के लिए अब देखते हैं आधे घंटे बाद।
All right, well, just to show you a quick, this is really the kind of roadblock that you can see here right now. It's going to be very difficult. We'll have to get some bulldozers over here to clear the kind of massive rocks that have really blocked this road. What's going to be really difficult now, aside from just clearing this roadblock, of course, it's been now more than 12 hours since this block has completely hampered the use of this road. What's going to be really difficult now, and a challenge really for the state government as well as the army that's actually stepped in, is now to clear out these kind of roadblocks as quickly as possible so rescue and relief material can actually reach the people who need it the most, who are stranded in Uttarkashi, and of course the pilgrims of course who are stranded, and also the army jawans who are along the China border. But, what's probably not very good news is that the weatherman has actually forecast that there are going to be rains in the coming days. In fact, even later today, possibly. And that, of course, is not going to make the next most important task of relief and rescue operations any simpler. At Bemunda, with camera person Madan Lal, Kashish for NDTV.